quick bites. Chew a few tulsi leaves before you sleep for an instant and sound sleep. Munching around 10 to 12 leaves twice a day keeps stress at bay. Basil assists the body to absorb food. Tulsi leaves lower the risk of platelets forming clots on the arterial wall, which is the most used ingredient by chefs in haute cuisine, is a gourmet's glee, is full of health benefits and in the Indian context has been given the position of a god. The answer is basil leaves. Holy basil or Tulsi. Basil leaves have a remarkable curative power and influential antioxidant properties, a powerhouse of flavonoids, which act as and are full of antiviral qualities. It has several health benefits. Moreover, it has body's natural immune system and is rich in nutrients such as iron, vitamin A, potassium, calcium and vitamin C. Here are some of the remedies and daily life uses of Tulsi. Anxiety. You can use Tulsi as an antidepressant. Munching around 10 to 12 leaves twice a day will facilitate adequate oxygen to the brains, thus keeping stress at a distance. Cough. Nutritionists suggest that if we prepare tea with around 1/4 tablespoon of Tulsi leaves, one can keep the cough at bay. One can also add honey for its flavoring and related health benefits. Toothache. Make a powder-like mixture by mixing 1 tablespoon of mustard oil with sun-dried Tulsi leaves and apply it to the painful tooth overnight. You are sure to be relieved of pain by a great extent. The next morning. Diabetes. A powder of sun-dried Tulsi left soaked in water overnight can help keep body sugar levels in control. Moreover, they also assist in insulin production in the body by keeping the blood glucose levels in check. Restlessness. Take boiled Tulsi leaves in a cup, add honey to it and drink this mixture before going off to sleep. This will assist you with instant and sound sleep. Blackheads. Acne and pimple. Stir together finely grounded Tulsi leaves in around 1 tablespoon of lime juice and apply on the affected area to achieve that flawless skin look. This process can be repeated for at least twice a day to get the desired results. Heart health. Doctors advise that the flavonoids present in Tulsi leaves can diminish the risk of platelets forming clots on the arterial wall. Antacid. Chew a few leaves right after your meal. This not only works as an antacid, but will also assist the body to absorb food and will keep you off from the formation of ulcers. Bad breath. To keep stinking breath at bay, take around 1 cup of water and boil it satisfactorily. Then add a half tablespoon of powdered cinnamon with roughly around 1 tablespoon of sun-dried Tulsi leaves. Treat this as a mouthwash soon after you brush or any time in the day. Tasteless taste. For immediate relief from any kind of excessive spicy sensation or no sensation on tongue, rub a mixture of honey and Tulsi leaves on the tongue. Whether you are gearing up for curries or pastas or as an herb, basil leaves is a miraculous herb which is a celestial present of nature to the human race. Thank you for watching this video. Share with your friends and subscribe for more videos.